welcome back to another grocery haul and meal plan. This is for a week for my family. Our total was $216.83, and I did a Walmart pickup order, and this is what we got. We got a hen, a big old hen. This guy weighs 7 pounds, 15 ounces. He's big. Some boneless pork chops. I have a package of drumsticks, chicken drumsticks, some boneless, skinless chicken breast, 2 pounds of, 2 1-pound packages of lean ground beef, 1 2.25 pounds of ground beef, a family-size sunflower bacon crunch salad, a chopped salad, and a bacon Caesar salad kit, 2 gallons of milk, 3 gallons of tea, some Yankee Candle sugared cinnamon apple, sunscreen because I have one that goes to a track meet and these are all day and his little face gets burned. I picked this up for Shelby to see if it'll help with her itchy spots. 2 gallons of water, a roll of paper towels, some trash bags, some allergy relief, 1 small, that's an hour-and-a-half cheeto log. As it says on there, it's perfect for weeknights, so we will probably use that one tonight with some real wood, so it'll last a little while. Some Diet Sunkist, foil, hair color, cat food, dog treats. We're going to try those for something different for her. 2 boxes of these garlic breadsticks, corn dogs, 1 box of soft pretzels. I ordered 2. They did not have 2. Some egg noodles, medium shell pasta, bananas, a big bag of tater tots, some oven-ready lasagna, crispy taco shells, 3 packs of brown gravy, 3 packs of taco seasoning, 2 jars of pasta sauce, barbecue sauce, this jalapeno cheddar cheese, some Velveeta cheese sauce packets, sour cream, ricotta cheese. You guys, I guess you can tell I'm making lasagna. Some chipotle salsa, green leaf lettuce. I have 3 beefsteak tomatoes, hamburger buns, guacamole, honey wheat bread, a loaf of white bread, some flour tortillas, funfetti cake mix and frosting, crispy rounds. I'm almost out of cinnamon and I'm completely out of this chipotle chili pepper that I put in almost everything. A 4-pack of biscuits, garlic spread, some breadcrumbs, some mozzarella cheese. Oh yeah, like why did I get mozzarella? But now I remember. Crisco, I don't know if I said that. Now we are going to look on the meal plan. Today is Thursday. We are going to have oven barbecue chicken legs, mac and cheese, bacon Caesar salad, and garlic breadsticks. For tomorrow, I'm going to do chipotle chicken and caramelized onion quesadillas with chips and queso. Saturday is a ground beef stroganoff, roasted broccoli and carrots, and rolls. Sunday is chicken and dumplings. Monday is lasagna, chopped salad, and garlic ciabatta bread. Tuesday is tacos. Wednesday is crispy pork sandwiches and tater tots. And then we'll start over again next week. For desserts this week, I am going to make the funfetti cake. I'm actually going to mix that up here in a minute and toss it in the oven while my chicken legs are cooking. I'm also probably going to make a pumpkin pie because I never made that a few weeks back. And I'll probably make some cookies as well, some sugar and chocolate chip. And that was very fast. But that is our meal plan and our grocery haul. And I am going to bid you a fond farewell. I hope you guys have an amazing weekend, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.